guys, this is Jim with Worldwide Auctioneers. I want to make sure you make it to our special auction in 2024. It's on January 26th. We're going to have some awesome cars, some Ford GTs, specifically one that takes special attention to is the 05 GT with all 4 options, really low mile example. We're also going to have a King of the Road 1968 model, Mustang Shelby 500. So I'd like for you to take a really close attention to this special car. This is a 1968 GT350. It's set up with some unique features. Obviously, this color is just amazing. If you draw attention to the engine, you're going to notice something that's going to separate this car from a lot of the ones that you see. It's got power steering, power brake, correct 302 engine, and this special thing right here is called a Shelby Paxton supercharger. Hard to find this in this shape. This car actually won awards as originality throughout its life, so a really special car. As you take a look at all the matching numbers, the special Shelby tag, the correct fender tag on the passenger side, take a look at just the quality of the paint, the interior, everything that you would need that checks the boxes of special collector car. Again, January 26th, special day, you want to make sure that you're a part of that. It has all the correct Shelby markings, the special gear shift that actually has the Cobra emblem embossed in it, the correct seat belts. Again, this car won awards for originality, so you know you want to buy one that's original, that's part of the best collection that you could have when it comes to Shelbys. This has tilt, which is really unique for this car. It also has something that every Shelby owner wants, and that's the special signature of Carroll Shelby that's located right here on the car. Power convertible top, just an amazing condition. So look forward to seeing you January 26, 2024, Worldwide Auctioneers.